we have both unknowns on the both sides of the equation, represented by the variable x. But on the left-hand side, it is under a grouping symbol. To solve for the value of the unknown, we need to use the distributive property first before the operations that we did in the previous discussions. Let me copy it here. We have 3 times x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 9. Now, let's start by distributing this coefficient 3 here and here. So you have 3 times x is 3x. And you will have here 3 times 5 is positive 15. On the other side, you will have here 2x plus 9 still. Now, this looks like binomial and binomial, so we will do the same operations as before. First, we will be subtracting 15 here, so that 15 minus 15 is 0. Do the same thing on the other side. We'll have here a value, 3x is equal to 2x. On the other side, 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Okay, then we'll be subtracting this 2x here, so that 2x minus x becomes 0. This is because you would like the left hand side to only contain the variable. So we have here 2x as well. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x, or simply x, our unknown, is equal to negative 6 on the other side of the equation. This is now the value of our unknown. We will check this by substituting the said value of the unknown on the original equation, and this should be satisfied so that we could say that our answer is correct or not. Why do we use the original equation instead of the second version after the distributive property such as this? Now, there might be some errors in moving from first step to second step, and that error could make our result here also incorrect. The only thing we need to use to verify whether our answer is correct or not is to always use the original equation. And if there are some errors in our checking, we will not be forcing that. If there are some errors in our checking, that means we need to review our process because there might be some arithmetic errors on our computation. So what we need to do here is simply substitute the value of x here, which is negative 6 plus 5, question mark here. The other side is 2 times negative 6 plus 9 here. The goal of the checking is to make sure that both sides of the equation will have the same value. Again, do not force it. If it's not balanced at the end of the process, then review your process here. So we'll have PEMDAS first, 3. You add the grouping symbols first or under the parentheses. That's negative 1. Still question mark. You will have here 2 times negative 6 is negative 12 and plus 9. Okay, now 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Here on the other side is also negative 3. At this time, we now sure that our answer of the value of the unknown, which is negative 6, is the correct value of the unknown because we have satisfied the given original equation using the said value. Join us to the next adventure involving the unknown.